Hey, so what's up guys? Today this video I going to unbox the Door SS key reader, keypad, or we call it reader. Bought it from Lazada to unbox. So remember, this video is about the unboxing. We are not doing any wiring, but we do it the wiring in the next video. So just got it. Nothing inside from Lazada. So no have the invoice or no have everything. So look, this keypad. This is unboxing this keypad. That simple. How much I bought it? 20 ringgit. Is a super duper cheaper. Okay, so we can see from here. So this is a door access control panel from bought it from Lazada. Okay, so later we walk around this casing, let you have a look. And before come with this cable, come all this cabling, and also come with this user manual. Door access reader. What is this reader called? They don't have a specified model code for this. Without the coding. Okay, so now I get to review the user manual for future references. Okay, so this is the technical parameter or the specification for this door access panel. So it's supported by 12-volt direct current, operating current less than 100 mA, dimension, weight, ambient temperature, relative humidity, storage, and cup type. Okay, this is the factory default setting. Okay, off. What is meant for option? Okay, so I'll put 5 seconds. Just a simple walkthrough. This is the light and the sound. Light and the sound indicator. And this is the buzzer. It's mean 1 short buzz, 3 short buzz, and 1 long buzz. Continue buzz. So this is a JP1 terminal. Okay. So this is a JP2 terminal. So today this video is just a simple unboxing video. So I will do the wiring part in the next video, and also the programming, and we try the programming. So it's a very fast walkthrough about this. Okay, hope you can see clearly, just for a reference. So this is the expand feature function. Okay, can you see it? So I hold for a while so you can do reference. I slowly move it so you can later you can refer it. Okay, so another part, you can pause it if you want to have a look for this user manual. So it's move a little bit slow, so easy for you to check it out, the user manual and all the programming. But I will do the sample for a video one by one. Okay, so it's a very simple reset. Okay, it's a very simple resetting. How to manage a user card, and of course this is a very cheap item. Okay, so okay, this is finished part for the user manual. Now is a product review. Okay, what is the product review? Product review is about so let's have a look at the design, and you can see this is the design. This is a touchpad, not a touch, it's a button. I'm not sure how it can last long thing for this thing, because I feel the material on top here, you every day you press it, right, sure got one day it will be broken. We are just a plastic, the very thin, like the PVC sticker stick on it. Okay, so at the back is this design. You can see this is a design, silver color. Unboxing, just unboxing what is inside. This unboxing, not the wiring. I'll show wiring later. So this is a simple unboxing. So this part is unboxing and product review. So it's very simple. You see the wiring diagram. So what tempo, I think this is something like the relay, and this is the chip. Can you see it? This is the, I think this is a microchip. STC. Okay. This is all the board. This is a board. Lazada, but it's from a China seller. Okay, it's from a China seller. Okay, so and it comes with these two cable. So stay tuned for our next video. Is about the wiring, what you need to install the basic door access system for your office, for your home, for your studio. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like our video, please give us a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.